Hello to everyone, our 8th class students. Come back to our English class. So we have gone through the many videos related to the 6th unit. So from the 6th unit, the name of our unit is the art and culture. So from the 6th unit we have completed the reading A and the reading B. Now we are going to continue with the reading C part, children. So our reading C part, in our reading C part, the name of our lesson Maestro with a Mission is given. Right, so this lesson is present in the page number 97, which I already mentioned on the blackboard. So everybody should have to open the page number 97. Okay, children. So Maestro with a mission. Okay, Maestro with a mission. One picture is shown, children. Before going to start our lesson, let us see the picture. Who is that famous personality given in the picture? Who is this special personality? Okay, none other than that, he is one of the Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam. Okay, he is one of the great classical dancer. He is one of the famous classical dancer also, we can call it. Right. So Maestro with a mission, children. So what is the meaning of Maestro? Maestro is nothing but the good performer of classical music. Okay, he is one of the good performer of classical dancer also. Maestro with a mission. Mission means whatever the assignment is allotted. Whatever the assignment is allotted, for that we are going to call the mission. So that means he is one of the maestro with a mission. That means he is one of the good performer in the classical dance. Now let us start this lesson here. The 18-year-old lad. The 18-year-old lad. That means lad is nothing but boy, children. The meaning of lad is nothing but a boy. So a young boy also we can call. An 18-year-old lad. A dropout from school. That means dropout from the school is nothing but he has stopped his education, left his house. Okay. He stopped his education, left his house with just 2 rupees in order to realize a dream. Okay, so he has left his house to realize his dream. Okay, and he has kept only 2 rupees in his pocket. Now, what is the reason behind that? Because he has left the house because of to realize his dream. Okay, what is his dream? To become the good classical dancer. Okay, now. Next one, it was the passionate dream he was driven by. So it was a passionate is nothing but the dream which has the strong feeling. Okay, strong feeling of dream he was driven by. He wanted to elevate the status of an art form he had learnt from his great guru. So he wanted to elevate means enlarge. Okay, so he wanted to enlarge the status of the art. We have gone through our topic art and culture, no? So this complete lesson is related to the art, children here. So he wanted to elevate the art form he had left from his whatever he had learnt from his guru. Okay, so some guru is there who had made him to learn this art. He decided to dedicate his life for the enrichment of that art form. So he decided to dedicate, means his complete life he wanted to dedicate for this dance only. Enrich of that art form. Enrich is nothing but to fulfill the art form. Right? Now next one. Next paragraph. The lad left his house for Madras, now called Chennai. Okay, so he has left his house for Madras. That means he has left from his house to the Madras. Later on we will know where he used to live. Okay, which is the native place of this person, let us know. So I have revealed the name of that great personality, no children. So in the middle of the lesson we will be coming across the name of that person here. So the lad, only in the beginning he has telling lad means the boy. Okay, who is about 18 years old. He left the education and he ran through from the house to fulfill his dream here. Now, so he left from his village to which city? Madras. Now it is called what? Chennai. Okay, about 400 kilometers away from his place. So wherever he stays, from that place he has gone to the Chennai, which is very far away from his house. That is about 400 kilometers far away, children. The place where he started was a village about 50 kilometers away from Vijayawada in Krishna district. That means he used to live in the Krishna district and his village is about 50 kilometers away from the Krishna district here. He walked all the way. That means he walked all the way. On his long way, he fed himself on plantains and water. So he walked. That means he ran with all the children. He did not take any bus. He did not take any train. Okay, slowly he began to cross different cities. He walked all the way. On his long way, he fed himself on plantains. Plantains is nothing but, children, fruit that cooked. Okay, that means the fruit which is used to cooked. Okay, plantains are the fruit, children, okay, which are eaten after cooking only. For that we are going to call the plantains, right? So he is completely dependent on the plantains and water. Finding the condition of the lad, a station master at Venkatachalam offered him a full meals. Okay, so he is passing from one place to another, he is roaming here and there. Why? Because to fulfill his dream. Okay, so when he sat in the railway station, the station master observed him, and the station master observed him at which station? Venkatachalam. Okay, at the Venkatachalam, offered him a full meal. That means he has given the full meal him to eat. Where are you going, dear? The station master asked. Now the station master, he is asking to this boy. What he is asking? Where are you going, dear? The station master asked. No reply. The boy unable to give the answer. Why? Because he is very new. He is one of the unknown person. No. Okay. He is unknown for everybody. So he is unable to give any reply here. The lad looked at the endless sky. So the boy looked to the endless sky directly. Whenever the question puts by the station master, he used to look up only. The lad was Vempati Chinna Satyam, who later came to be known as Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam. So the lad, none other than that, I told the children, the name of that person is Vempati Chinna Satyam. See here, pronunciation V-E-M-P-A-T-I, Vempati Chinna Satyam, C-H-I-N-N-A, Vempati Chinna Satyam, S-A-T-Y-A-M. Vempati Chinna Satyam is the main hero of our lesson. We can tell he is one of the classical. He is the master in classical dance, children. Right. So the lad Vempati Chinna Satyam, who later came to be known as Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam, doctorate, children. He has got the title also. What is that? He has got not title. He has got the degree also. What is that? From Vempati Chinna Satyam to he has got the doctor. This is the degree which he has got, okay, after fulfilling his dream. Now next one is, and the place where he started from was Kuchipudi, and the art form he was passionate about was Kuchipudi. So from where he was started, actually he used to live in the village Kuchipudi. The name of the village is also Kuchipudi, where this Kuchipudi has been originated, children. Okay, from where this Kuchipudi has been originated. All the story about Satyam and Kuchipudi became meaningless if we really don't know certain facts about Kuchipudi. So all these facts about the Kuchipudi and about the Vempati Chinna Satyam, it will be meaningless, okay, without hearing the main things from his life, children. Now the dance form originated in the village of Kuchipudi. So the dance, whatever the person is doing, performing the dance to children, so that is the Kuchipudi dance, and the Kuchipudi dance was originated in the village of Kuchipudi only, right? And don't get confused, children. Here Kuchipudi is the name of the village and the name of the dance also, and this Kuchipudi is located 50 kilometers far away from Vijayawada in Krishna district. Got the clarification? Already we have gotten here. He started was a village about 50 kilometers away. Which is that village? Kuchipudi village, which is far away, about 50 kilometers from Vijayawada in Krishna district. Right. Next one. For a long time, the art was performed at temples at time of annual festivals and in street on the demand of the people. So, where this dance form was performed, okay, this dance was performed during the annual functions, children, or annual, sorry, not annual functions, annual festivals of that place, and somewhat they are going to be performed in the street whenever the people used to demand to do this dance, no. So during that period, during that time, they used to perform. Initially it was a male oriented dance form. It is the male oriented dance form. Now initially it was a male oriented dance form. Dance form is nothing but this Kuchipudi dance was oriented from the males only. Even female roles were played by men. Even not only male roles are played by the men here, female roles also played by the men. Have you seen when you are watching the television, children, Zabardast entertainment shows are going to be shown in Telugu channels, yes or no? So how the male people are pretending they are just acting like a female person. In that way, even though female roles were played by the men. What a surprise! Great gurus like Vedantam, Lakshmi Narayana, Chinta Krishnamurti enriched the transformed it and welcomed women to play different roles. See here. So what is surprise? Even though men also performing the female roles in those days, he was very great surprise. What is surprise? Gurus like Vedantam, Lakshmi Narayana and Chinta Krishnamurti enriched means nothing but developed also we can tell, or famous, making famous Murti. These two people have developed and transformed it and welcome women to play different roles. So they are welcome the different women to play these roles. They produced, that means these two people have produced, they produced many dance dramas and choreographed several solo items. So these two famous persons, what they have done, they have just choreographed several solo items also. Choreograph means composing. Choreography is nothing but composing, children. Thus the transformation of dance was complete. Okay. So after the transforming this dance, there was a change in it. It was different from the days when men played the female roles. It was different from the days when men played the female roles. So it was very different, no children, when the men used to play the female roles. Now women play even male roles. So in those days the males used to play the female roles. Nowadays we are going to see that the women are playing the male roles. Yet it was not much popular. Okay, yet it was not popular. Even though it was not popular also, and it was not recognized on par. That means on par with other classical dances till 1958. So till 1958, even though it was not popular, it was done, children. What has done? The male roles are played by the females. Satyam was too big in his aspiration and too small in his achievement. So Satyam, our Dr. Venpati Chinna Satyam, was too big in his aspiration. Aspiration means to reaching his goal, and he was too small in his achievement. Achieving the goal, he was very small. He faced many hardships in his childhood. That means he has faced many difficulties in his childhood. Why? Because he don't have any proper place to live. Right. Now, he had a strong desire to learn Kuchipudi. Desire, that means he had a strong wish to learn the Kuchipudi. In spite of that, he was humiliated by a teacher in his village. So he had a strong desire to become a good dancer in the Kuchipudi, But here, what is happened here? Here we can see that the teachers are humiliating for this boy. Humiliating means he felt very shame. He was humiliated. Okay, felt shame. He felt very shame. It means students began to tease for this child. The teacher said, "Don't attempt to learn Kuchipudi again. You are unfit for it." So whenever this boy tries to learn the Kuchipudi, the teacher used to discourage for this boy. Don't try to learn the Kuchipudi, so that you are not very well perfect for learning. He made this comment in the presence of his friends. So this all the comments was done when the teacher is making the comments about this boy. These complete comments were done in front of the friends. Some ridiculed him. Ridicule means after hearing the comments which was told by the teacher upon the Venkata Satyam. Okay, Vempati Satyam. He was just what done? He was the children in the class began to laugh children or comment also. But some other sympathized with him. Okay, sympathized. After laughing also, some children came and just encouraged. We can tell sympathize is nothing but telling, showing sorriness. Okay, showing sorry children or saying sorry also. And then his father died. So lastly, what happened here? So when he was studying in the school, his father was expired. His father was expired. Just we are seeing the biography of the Vempati children here. So when his father was died, no one is there no here in the family to look after him. When his father was died, he has to feed 4 sisters and brother. Okay, complete how many? 4 sisters and brother, means they are completely about 6 members children. So he should have to look after them. Beyond this, Satyam was interested in others, in nothing but his favorite art form with some rudimentary knowledge of it. Okay, beside this, okay, even though Satyam was interested in nothing but his favorite art form with some rudimentary knowledge of it. That means basic knowledge of it. That means he don't have any wish except one wish. Which is that wish, children? He wanted to learn the Kuchipudi. That wish he had. That is hardly of any use to a person with a lofty desire. Okay, that is hardly of any use. That means that is enough. That is enough for a person to have a strong wish to do something. Okay, that is enough. Even though he don't have any financial support, even though his family is not going to support to him, he had a strong desire to learn the Kuchipudi. Next, Tadepalli Peeraya Shastri and Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana Shastri taught him the difficult aspects of Kuchipudi style and inspired him. So these two persons have inspired this person children. Okay, these two famous personalities have inspired for this person to learn the Kuchipudi. Satyam developed a genuine and ardent interest towards the art form. Satyam developed a genuine means truly. Okay, he has developed a truly interest and ardent means serious interest. He has shown the serious interest towards the Kuchipudi. He sometimes sold his meals ticket to watch the dance programs in Chennai. So whatever the dance programs are going to be conducted in the Chennai children, he used to sell the meals ticket. Okay, so in the olden days when we are going to have the food, we used to pay the money and we will take the ticket, no? So when we are going to take the ticket, okay, when we are going to take the ticket, if you want something means you will sold the ticket. Here also, because of this dance, because of to watch the dance performance, he has sold the what here? He has sold the meal ticket in Chennai. He only wanted to liberate Kuchipudi from the clutches of significance and oblivion, not oblivion, oblivion. Oblivion is nothing but we can sell unawareness. So only he wanted to liberate means he wanted to set free Kuchipudi from the clutches means the grasping of unimportant and oblivion. So whoever don't know the awareness of this Kuchipudi, he wanted to set the awareness among that people. With encouragement from his cousin Vempati Pedda Satyam, Vempati Chinna Satyam tried his luck in Telugu film world. So with the encouragement, so when he was successful in his life to learn the Kuchipudi, his cousin brother has encouraged. Who is that? Vempati Pedda Satyam. He has encouraged to go to send this person into the Telugu film world. Can the Telugu film lovers forget the advanced sequences in Nartanasala, Devadasu and Pandava Vanavasam? So here these are the names of the movies children, okay, which are very famous movies in Telugu film industry. Okay, these are the famous movies in the Telugu film industry. Can anyone has forgotten the sequence, how the dance has been performed in those movies? Even now the film admirers become nostalgic when they recollect some sequences. So even though the film admirers became, means film lovers become nostalgic. Okay, that means they remember when they recollect those sequences. So whenever they see the movies, they just recollect the performance of this dance. Thus, Dr. Vempati has carved a niche in Telugu film as well as a dance director. So here, Dr. Vempati has carved, C-A-R-V-E-D. Carved is nothing but meaning is given. C-A-R-V-E-D. Carved a niche. Built reputation. That means he has built a reputation. Dr. Vempati has built a reputation in Telugu films as well as a dance director also. Okay, he has a good name. He has got a good name in the Telugu film industry. Now, Dr. Vempati was not satisfied with his success in Tencel world. So, after even though he has got the good reputation in the Telugu film industry, he was not satisfied. That means he was not satisfied in the Tencel world. In Tencel world is nothing but the decorated world, children. Colorful world also we can do. His desire to popularize Kuchipudi grew stronger. So even though he has learned the Kuchipudi, even though he has performed his Kuchipudi dance in different movies, he was not satisfied. He wanted to make the Kuchipudi dance more and more stronger or popular also we can tell. He established Kuchipudi Art Academy for this purpose. So he has separately constructed the academy, children, institute, okay, where the dance is going to be performed. He has established that one. In the year 1963 in Madras, as many as 180 solo items and 15 dance dramas were composed and choreographed by Dr. Vempati. So along with this, when he was opened, when he was established the dance academy, he has performed 180 solo items and 15 dance dramas. He was composed and choreographed by the Dr. Vempati only. Those have been performed all over the world. So this complete dance performances, how many? 180 solo items and 15 dance forms. These are completely performed all over the world. He composed his first dance drama, Sri Krishna Parijatam, followed by Kshira Sagara Madanam. Okay, both were received well by the audience all around the world and brought to Lawrence to Vempati. So here main important thing has given. What is that, children? He composed the first dance drama. Okay, first dance drama he was composed. The name of that drama is Sri Krishna Parijatam, followed by Kshira Sagara Madanam. So both were received well. Okay, both were received well by the audience. All the audience who have watched these movies, okay, they have received and it became famous all over the world. And it was got and it was brought what here, children, here. And it was brought to Lawrence. Lawrence is nothing but respect or crown. Okay, these both films have brought the crown for this Dr. Satyam. Some of the masterpieces like now another famous celebrities have came here. Some of the masterpieces like Padmavati, Srinivasa Kalyanam, not celebrities, masterpieces like Padmavati, Srinivasa Kalyanam composed by Dr. Vempati are the symbols of depth of his knowledge and master over Kuchipudi. So some of his masterpieces. That means one movie is there, children, that is Padmavati Srinivasa Kalyanam is there. It was composed by Dr. Vempati only, and it was the symbol of the depth of his knowledge and mastery over Kuchipudi. That means he has shown the great performance in that movie. Next, he had an ability to communicate. See here, he has an ability to communicate. Communicate means to talk. T-A-L-K. Ability to talk each nuance. Nuance means each nuance. Nuance means small differences we can tell, children. In the when we are going to have the dance performance or dance program, in that the judges will judge for the children who are performing. For the performance, they are going to the judges are going to judge for the performers. Yes or no? So here also is doing the same here. Ability to communicate each nuance. Nuance, children. Nuance means small differences of the dance. To connoisseurs, C-A-N-N-O-I-S-S-E-U-R-S. Connoisseurs is nothing but judge. Okay, judging, and lay persons equally well. So he used to treat it equally for the normal persons also. Now, Dr. Vempati's distinguished disciples. Disciples are nothing but Shishyulu. You will tell the children. Now, who are the disciples of this Vempati? See here. Shanti Rao. Shanta Rao, Yamini Krishnamurthy, and Vaijayanti Bali, Hema Malini, Manju Bhargavi, Shobha Naidu, and Bala Kondala Rao, and Daggubati Purandeshwari, etc. Every one of these disciples take pride in being a disciple of Dr. Vempati. So these all people whose names have mentioned here, so they feel very proud to be a disciple in the they feel very proud to be the disciple of Dr. Vempati. That means these all people are the Shishyulu. You will tell no, disciples are nothing but Shishyulu, right? Now he became the guru for those people here. For all that he has done to the development and the encouragement of Kuchipudi to full-fledged dance form. So simply he is not doing, okay, simply to get the reputation he is not doing children. Not only for the reputation, to develop and encouragement of emergence of Kuchipudi, okay, to make the Kuchipudi stronger, he is doing all the things. So what he is telling here, for all that he has done to the development and emergence of Kuchipudi to a full-fledged dance form, okay, completely to develop the Kuchipudi he has done. Now Dr. Vempati was rightly conferred, C-O-N-F-E-R-R-E-D, conferred is nothing but rightly grant the much coveted means liked by everyone, okay children. So coveted meaning is also given, liked by everyone to have. Dr. Vempati was rightly conferred, okay, he was granted the much to have something. What is that? Padma Bhushan title by the government of India. That means he has gained the Padma Bhushan title also, which was given by the government of India. Next, Andhra University has awarded him an honorary doctorate in 1980. That means Andhra University also has given the degree children. What is the degree here? Honorary doctorate in 1980. Now, Sri Venkateshwara University, Tirupati honored him with an honorary degree, Doctor of Literature, in the year 1983. Dr. Satyam was presented with the Golden Key by the Mayor of Miami, USA, Stephen P. Clark, in the year 1981. So not only he became famous in the India children, he has become the famous in USA also. In USA, who has presented with the title Golden Key here? He has presented with the Stephen P. Clark in the year 1981. He was chosen for the Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship and the Raja Lakshmi Foundation, Madras, presented the Raja Lakshmi Award. Okay, so he was also chosen for that. He was selected for this academic also, and he was presented the Raja Lakshmi Award also. There are only a few to mention. So there are not. These are only few to mention. So whatever the awards, rewards, and whatever the degrees he has got, no, they are only few. Again, there are so many feathers in his cap. Feathers here, the feathers are nothing but 12. Feathers are nothing but 12 children. Quill. So these feathers you will be finding on the wings of the on the body of the birds. Okay, so that is called the feathers. So there are again some more degrees or some more titles and some more awards, okay, in his life. In the year 1976, the TTD made Satyam the Asthana Natyacharya. So in the year 1976, everybody, TTD is nothing but you will be getting confused. Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. Okay, TTD is nothing but Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam made Satyam the Asthana Natyacharya. That means whatever the place is there now in TTD, so he became one of the famous in Asthana. He became famous in that place. He was born to Venkatachalamaya and Varalakshmi on 15 October 1929. He was born at which year? In the year 1929. On October 15th, he was born to these couple's children. So his parents' names are given. What are the names of those parents? Venkatachalamaya and Varalakshmi. He led an illustrious life of 83 years and he breathed his last on 19th July 2012. He has illusion, that means he has lived the normal life of 83 years. Okay, what is the age, children? He was born in the year 1929 and he was expired in the year 2012. 2012 expired date. And when he was born in the year 1929. So this is the life history of our Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam. Who were his parents? His parents were Venkatachalamaya and Varalakshmamma. Right. Next one. He was survived by his wife Swarajya Lakshmi, 2 sons and 3 children. This person had 2 sons and 3 daughters children. Okay. So here this person has how many? 2 sons and 3 daughters. Complete how many members they had? He had 5 children. Okay, he was survived. It means survived means he was looked after by his family members only. All the Telugu speakers identify themselves with Kuchipudi. Okay, so all the Telugu speakers, the people who are living in Telangana, in Andhra Pradesh, we can tell children. So they are identifying themselves with Kuchipudi. The rest of the world looks at Kuchipudi and Dr. Vempati's stupendous work with the relevant eyes. Okay, so the rest of the world looking for the Kuchipudi and Dr. Vempati's hard work, children. Stupendous is nothing but a hard work with relevant eyes, with respectable eyes. So the complete world is seeing for the Kuchipudi dance and for the Dr. Vempati with the respectable eyes. Kuchipudi has established itself on par with other classical dance forms of India. So Kuchipudi has got the great status. Okay, par is nothing but equal importance. Okay, the Kuchipudi also got an equal importance when we are compared with the other dance forms. So what are the other dance forms here in India? In India, like Bharatanatyam is there, Kathak and Kathakali. Okay, so they are given equal importance among this dance also. Now, countless people work for Kuchipudi, but Dr. Vempati remains the source of inspiration to such people, and he remains at the center stage of Kuchipudi's surge as a classical dance form in modern India. Okay, so here countless people work for Kuchipudi. That means countless people. They also wanted to perform the Kuchipudi dance. Okay, but Dr. Vempati remains as the inspiration for those people who are going to learn the Kuchipudi dance. Okay, now hence he can rightly be called maestro with a mission. Lastly, he came to be known as the maestro with a mission. That means he is one of the master of the classical dance. Okay, he is one of the master in the classical dance, and he was very perfect in which dance form, children? He is very perfect in the Kuchipudi dance, and all over the India, the people who are living in India are very much inspired by Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam. So this is the lesson about our maestro with a mission, children. He is the who is the main hero of our lesson here? He is one of the he is none other than a Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam. He became very famous all over the country, not only in India, but he became very famous in the all over the world, and he got many awards and rewards. Okay, along with that he got the degrees also. Okay, that's why we are going to call him Doctor of Literature also. Okay, children. So this is the biography what it has given in our lesson, children. So okay, keep watch this video. If you have any doubt, read the lesson once or twice, children, and get the meaning to this lesson. Okay, bye to everybody.